Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to display your name on textme. So let's get started. First, open your textme application. Tap on the Me option, which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Select My Account option. Now tap on Display Name option. Now enter your first name and last name. Once you're done, tap on the tick button which is at the top right corner of your screen. And this is how you can display your name on textme. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.